This is a Russian restroom in Russian train. Look like this. I think this is the first time I see a toilet paper in Russian train restroom. Usually the toilet paper is always missing.